Carrot Cake Overnight Oats, a delicious and healthy breakfast. Jumpstart your morning with a vibrantly healthy twist. Carrot Cake Overnight Oats is not just a breakfast, it's a celebration of flavors and nutrition. Perfectly combining creamy textures, sweet spices, and nourishing ingredients, this recipe will keep breakfast lovers energized and satisfied throughout the day. Liquid base, 1 1/4 cups, 300 ml milk, plus 3/4 cup, 170 grams, plain Greek yogurt. Sweetness and spice, maples, vanilla, cinnamon, allspice, ginger, grated nutmeg. Oats and mix-ins, rolled oats, grated carrot, raisins or cherries, hemp hearts, chia seeds. Crunchy toppings, toasted pecans, coconut chips, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds. In a bowl, mix milk, yogurt, maple syrup, and spices. Stir in oats, grated carrot, and mix-ins. Refrigerate overnight. Top with the crunchy goodness before serving. Spoon up this wholesome delight for a balanced breakfast, and remember to share your creation. Healthy breakfast.